friends, welcome back. I just wanted to stop in and say, don't wait too long to go to your local stores and find the closeouts on the summer yard utensils. I was in my Winco the other day. Winco's a grocery store, and they had, because they have seasonal items, I found these amazing deals on garden items. So one of the first things I found, you guys, what attracted me to this was these baskets. If you have watched my other videos, you've seen me make a strawberry basket and a couple other things. So these baskets, you guys, I paid $14 for one like this, similar to this, at Lowe's the beginning of summer. And when I went to Winco, there was a stack of these and they were $1.47. $1.47 for these hanging wire baskets with the cocoa liner in them. So this is a super good deal, you guys. I think I got 8 of them, so watch for some basket videos. We'll be doing something fun. But these are perfect, you guys, for hanging a salsa garden or an herb garden. You can even probably let it grow in the winter if it doesn't get super, super cold where you are. But perfect for those kind of things, those little things, or some flowers or some fake flowers if you need them in the winter time. If you don't like it not having green around you and you live in the snow, go ahead, plant some fake flowers in these. Also, you guys, I found this amazing bag. This is a tote bag. It's got a big opening, so you can put your big stuff in here. There's all kinds of little pockets to put your tools in. Super awesome. I think this was $3.68 or something like that. And then this set of tools, okay, this closes up. My grandson opened it and I was like, whoa. But this closes up, but it's a little hacksaw. The hacksaw and pruners, this set was $1.97. $1.97 for both of these. And these were like 80% off, so you know that the real price wasn't ever, that cheap. But that's what I got them for. This hose nozzle was 99 cents. You guys, this is a super shot nozzle, which is really great for hosing off your patio and things like that. Hosing off the side of your house because it's a power shot. And like I said, I think this was 97 cents. The other thing that I love, look at these little trays. I love these things because you can put your, so I live where I can grow vegetables most of the year round, but I have to move them sometimes when it's freezing outside. I move them onto my patio and they survive. So like a tomato plant would do great in here in my area. You can use them for any kind of plant, house plant, outside plant, but these are awesome. They've got the little wheels on them, and so you can roll them around, and lots of fun things you can do with this. Okay, then the other amazing thing I got, this set of 5 yard tools, 5 garden tools, you guys. So we've got the little handheld bow rake, and then the planting spade or trowel, whatever you want to call it, trowel. A little leaf rake, just kind of rake up maybe the straw around the plants that you've put down for mulch. This one is you just do this with it. I don't know what you do with this one. I'll find something. But this one is one of my favorite tools. So I have one of these and I love it. I use this one to turn the soil in the garden, and also this helps to make you can create your rows with these little prongs here. And so that is what I got for just about $20, maybe a little maybe more because of the 8 baskets. So right around $20 to $25. I got all of these awesome tools. You guys, this is great to stock up on for a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, or just to put away for next year. Or if you have a place where you can grow year round, you can use them year round. My tools don't always last very long, so I'm okay to buy cheap tools because I don't always take good care of them, and neither does anybody else that comes over here. So I'm always okay with cheap stuff because I usually leave it out, or somebody leaves it out and it gets lost or it gets broken or it gets rusty or whatever. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know this is my bargain find for the day. So see what you can find and let us know in the comments if you find, I like waving this around, if you can find any amazing deals on yard things still. Hope you have a nice day. Hope you've enjoyed being here. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. And